Alright guys, welcome to Charge It Up. For today's video, we're going to be working on the R6 and it's going to be a quick install, nothing complicating or anything like that. We're just going to take the seat off and we're going to put a solo seat cowling on. Solo seat cowling is right there. Let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. Let's go. To change the rear seat, it's not hard whatsoever. This is all you need to do. So you need the key to take off the rear seat that's currently on the stock bike. Can't take it off without the key. You need a bracket to put on the bike. We'll go ahead and do that. You need two separate Allen keys. I believe this is a 4 and this is a 5 Allen key. You need some hardware and the solid seat itself. Let's go and put this on the bike. Step 1, remove the current seat that's got the key on there. So grab the key. And step 1 is complete. Step 2, not a hard step either. Grab the bracket. This is actually going to go on the bracket that's already there from OEM. This is the seat bracket. This is where the hooks go on. The bracket goes on to the pre-drilled holes with the threads on the bike already. Take the actual bracket, we'll grab the 2 nuts, put it on, and move to the next step. In order for you to put the solo seat cowling on the 2017 to 2021 Yamaha R6, you need this bracket. You can't do it without this bracket. At least the way that the aftermarket and the OEM solo seat cowlings come, you need this bracket and the hardware to do it. You can't do it without it. Now that step 2 is complete, you can see that 2 bolts are in, holding the actual bracket in place. We'll go to step number 3, that's taking the cowling and putting it on the bike. All right, solo seat cowling is on. I'm actually gonna blur that out. I'm gonna leave it for the reveal at the very end to see what everything looks like together. And yeah, solo seat cowling is on. So the only next step to do is we have 2 more bolts and there's 2 little screws, little holes right here. And you take the bolt and push it up and that'll actually attach to the bracket that we put in earlier. Let's go ahead and do that, and that's the final step. All right, so the cowling's on, and this thing looks awesome. I love the way this turned out, and it really completes the back end of the bike with the flares and everything else. I love the way this turned out. Check it out. What? I gotta say, I love it. Love the way this turned out. The solo seat cowling looks amazing. Love the way it turned out. There's the R6 logo right there. Freaking love this thing. Love the way it turned out. Shout out to Complex Auto Designs, same guys who wrapped everything else on the bike. Wrapped the solo seat cowling for me as well. Ooh, Complex Auto Designs, Ajax, Ontario for now. That looks amazing. I love the way that turned out. Super stoked about the way it actually came out and how it looks. And because I don't have any rear sets on the bike to make it that little pointy look, and everything's nice and clean down there, now I don't need a seat. Freaking perfect. I love the way that looks. Oh, I love it. Leave a comment down below, guys, if you guys think it looks awesome. That's it for today's video, guys. Just a quick install of the solo seat cowling that I just got for the R6. Super excited. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell for future videos with the R6. Leave a comment down below, guys. Until the next one.